Hi, it's Craig here from Earth Moving Technology Solutions, just with a quick video on the XsiteManage website. Now, this is a site used for transferring data to machines. It assists with remote support, being able to dial into machines, seeing what the operator sees. We can create PRM localization files for the mobile machines, generate reports, and invite users, such as surveyors on any active sites that you're on. I'm just going to go down the left-hand side here so we can see we're signed in as our support email address here as the user. Home screen, which we can see now, is basically just you get a few release notes, news from the website on updates. As I go further down the list, if I go to machines, so under our organisation, which is ETS support, it's got one in there at the moment as a demonstration, which is our rover. I'll go next step down under users. So one user in there at the moment, and the role is admin. If not admin, you can also just be entered there as user with a bit more restricted access. Admin has more rights, and up the right here, admin can also invite other users, which could be surveyors on a project that you're working on, so you can allow them to access the machine and transfer files and manage files themselves. So after users, if we go to sites, you have no sites created here at the moment, but it's just this easy. So on the create a new site link, if you press that one, we can give our site a name and drop a pin at that location. So the drop pin's not overly critical, it just helps with basically when you see all your machines grouped around that drop pin. It's just assists to see their location. So this one is this one is. So there's our name of our site, drop in at the location, create. So here would be our list of all sites we've created. If we hit on that link, the name of the site, it will open that site. Now here we can, so there's our drop in, our location. Now, as we look at the left here again, we start off in the data management page, where we have options to drop our DXF or land XML design files. So I'm going to go upload files, and it's going to let me search my computer for those files. And go to so here's our DXF design file. Select that. You can drag and drop multiple files here if you've got more than one. You can see that loading. So once our design is loaded, I'm now going to go down the left-hand side here and also go to settings, where we're going to choose a localization file, which is a PRM file. It should load in a moment. There we go there. So there's our design, our localization. Now back to the left here, we want to choose our machines that are going to be active on that site. So none selected at the moment. I'm going to go across here to add machine. And if I go to my organization here, then I've got all the machines available in the second drop-down list, which we've only got one at the moment, and that will be the name as it appears. And if I just go here and go add, so that's our rover, but it would be an excavator or whatever else you have of mower will be available in that list. We've got more than one. So that's the machines or rovers or devices that are going to be on site and download this project. So that's all we need to do there. So we've got our location, our data, our localization, and our machine. And it's as simple as that. So now on the machine or rover side of things, they go to projects and press sync, and that will download this file and localization. Because this project has been created and will be managed through the website, it can't be edited out on site. So you can't then have a surveyor or someone then add another file to this project out on site. It's either one or the other, so managed by the website or loaded on site straight into the machine. Now, if there was any support requests from any of the machines in the organisation, they would appear here. You can, support request was generated from the machine. You can connect to that through this space here. And settings, we've seen that already. That's with our power end